This is going to be a quick and short lesson going over the tools that you need. And I remind you, this is just a basic understanding kind of course where ultimately you're going to create and post an NFT, and it's not going to cost you anything. The tools, again, on the table of contents, we're going to do this, everything you need, and you can see how the rest of the course is going to unfold. Now, first thing you need is a browser, and you're on Skillshare, so I know you already have a browser. There are many to pick from. As you can see, the Internet Explorer, Chrome, Edge, Firefox, and Safari. I recommend probably either Chrome or Edge. They're actually the same browser. And perhaps Firefox. Safari's got a few problems with some sites, but all of them are free. All of them are available on every platform, easy to download and install. You also need a little money, but actually you need zero money. But it would be nice to have $1 or $2 in your cyber or your cryptocurrency account, just so it's there. Now, cryptocurrency is obtained the same way you would be if you were visiting a foreign country. You go to an exchange. In this case, you'll be converting the currency of our nation into a specific crypto, namely Ethereum. It's very similar to Bitcoin. It's just easier to use right now. The other thing you're going to need is a digital image. Now, you may already have one. You see the image on the right there is one that I created in a few seconds simply by saying I want an image of a Victorian house in the style of Van Gogh. We'll be using an AI tool to do that. Again, it's no cost. The availability is free, very easy to use and fun. So as a reminder, and I'll probably do this often, please ask a question. If you have a question, most likely someone else does as well. I'm happy to update this class or to add it to the Q&A. And if you're enjoying the course, I'm going to suggest you recommend it to others, but let's get to the next lesson. Thank you.